Hey guys, today I want to talk about the hitch on the Hustler Raptor SD 60-inch zero-turn lawn tractor. Now, if you recall from a previous video of mine, I said that I wasn't a huge fan of the hitch option on this machine. The hole is very close to the edge and made from pretty thin metal, thinner than the engine guard material. I have a lot of tow behind equipment like an aerator, dethatcher, sprayer, fertilizer spreader, sweeper, water cart, and a garden trailer. So I'm quite concerned that all that equipment is going to wear out that hitch in no time. And don't forget, this tractor has the 26 horsepower Kohler engine, and with that extra horsepower, I think this option is a little too fragile for this machine. Let's fast forward, and it's only been a few weeks and the hitch is already starting to wear thin. I've only been putting light equipment, and I think the heaviest may have been the aerator. I need to reach out to the dealer here and see what options they have for a better solution. My engine guard is not installed here at this point, and I hope I can find something that incorporates that into a better hitch. Alright guys, I want to give you a quick update on the hitch situation. I brought it to the attention of my dealer and they said no problem, they'll take care of it. So what they've done is they ordered a hitch, and I believe this is from Turo, and they've installed the engine guard on using these large bolts. So as you can see, the bolts go through the engine guard and the rear frame supports, and these are both attached to the main frame of the tractor. This is a huge upgrade and very sturdy and much thicker metal than the original. My dealer let me know though I can carry on towing everything as normal, just nothing on hills, especially over 400 pounds, and don't pull any heavy weight over rough terrain or on pavement or concrete where the tires can't slip. Anything over that should be carried on a cart or a 2-axle trailer to reduce any tongue weight. Alright, fast forward again another couple of weeks. I've been using the new hitch and I'm happy to say that I've put this problem behind me. The new hitch is perfect. I'm super happy with it. I've had no issues pulling around the water cart or my dump trailer or any other of the equipment. Links to everything seen here today can be found in the description. I hope that you found this information helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for more Acreage Life videos.